Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to change privacy and safety settings on Twitter. So let's begin right away. So just a heads up, using the Twitter app and the Twitter website has a difference in terms of changing the privacy and safety settings. So let's first proceed with the Twitter app. You just simply click on Twitter app and then click on your profile found on the upper left corner and click on Settings and Privacy right here. If you cannot see it, simply scroll down a little bit and you may now be able to see Settings and Privacy. So simply click on it and click on Privacy and Safety. Then now you may see Audience and Tagging, your tweets, your content you see, and many more. So what I mean when there is a difference is that whenever we click on content you see, you may not be able to see one option right here. So to do that, just simply proceed to twitter.com and then click on your profile found on the upper left corner, which is basically the same with the Twitter app. And then scroll down a little bit and look for settings and privacy. Click on it and then click on privacy and safety and go to content QC. And then now you may be able to see the option that I am telling you. So this is display media that may contain sensitive content. So I advise to use this only if you are 18 plus years old. And then if you want to see sensitive content, just like the accidents and many more, I just simply click on the check mark right here and then go back to Twitter and refresh your feed. So that's it. That's how you can change privacy and safety settings on Twitter. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.